Hey everyone! Want to move your study notes from Lumio AI into Google Docs for easier editing and sharing? And here's how to do it in just simple steps. First, go to Lumio AI website and log into your account. Then from the dashboard, choose the project that contains the study notes that you want to export. Then here click on the study notes section to view the notes generated by Lumio AI. Then here, look for the export option if it's available. Then you can choose export to Google Docs if it's available. And but if there's no direct export button, just simply copy your notes. Then, after copying your notes, go to Google Docs and create a new document and paste your notes. Adjust the formatting as needed, then save or share your Google Docs with your classmates or collaborators. And that's it. Exporting your Lumio AI study notes to Google Docs makes them easy to edit, organize, and collaborate on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.